Sony BRAVIA X75K 4K Ultra HD OLED TV. Main features are 4K processor X1, 4K Reality Pro, Motions XR Flow, clear phase Bluetooth connectivity, Google TV, works with Apple AirPlay, Apple HomeKit voice search, Chromecast built-in, X Protections Pro. Motion Flow enjoys smooth and sharp details even in fast-moving sequence with Motion Flow XR. This innovative technology creates and inserts extra frame between the original ones. It compares three visual specters on successive frames, then calculates the split second of missing action in the sequence. Some models also include black frame insertion for a blur-free and truly cinematic light. 4K Reality Pro sees glorious 4K pictures rich with real-world details and texture. Exclusively powered by our 4K processor X1, images filmed in 2K and even HDR upscaled close to 4K levels of details by 4K Reality Pro using a unique 4K database. Clear phase technology analysis and compensates for inaccuracies in speaker response by sampling speaker frequencies with higher precision. This data is used to cancel out any peaks or dips in the speakers.